What's up guys? In this video I'm going to be putting on the rear bash bar. Last video I put on the front one. I could have made this all one video episode. I don't know what to call it, but I just want to make as many videos as possible. So yeah, it should be pretty easy. I already had this bumper off, just held it by cable ties, and I think I have like 2 tech screws there. So should be pretty easy, hopefully. Normally you'd have a bunch of just bolts underneath, just holding it all up under here. So I don't know if I've shown it, all here, whatever. And then there should be, I think there might be 3 or 4 around here. And then you get one that goes straight up, and then that's pretty much it. Then you take off the actual crash bar. It should be pretty simple. That's it. Now that I got these 2 off, I can just place this up and see if it matches. Hopefully straight fit. I got bigger bolts than came with it, well, that were on it, because there were M8s, I think. I got M10s. I look at it now and I think I could have used M12s, which probably would have been better, since this does have a jacking point. I caught all the bolts now, so I think I'm just gonna lift it and squeeze it, so hopefully the bumper will just sit a little bit nicer. So yeah. Currently the bumper is getting stuck on the jacking point, so I have my lovely grinder, and yeah, I'll just make a very accurate cutout and should be fit. very accurate cut. Yeah. That's more than enough room, so gotta fix this massive gap with my 2 tech screws. I could probably use cable ties, but oh well, it doesn't really matter. Changing plans. I can't put the tech screws in because the bash bar is in the way now, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing the same thing as in the front. Just get a pool noodle, hopefully it'll just lift it up. So yeah, just have 2 cable ties at a time. This will come off anyways because I have no toe straps now. I have an idea for it. Yeah, I don't know, just have to wait for the parts. That's it for the video. Let me know if you have any more, I guess, just any suggestions what I should do next. And yeah, like, subscribe, yeah, tell me how I did.